Today, create an effect where text is blended into a special textured image. Effect. It can also be applied to video clips. Let's start the tutorial. Create a new composition. Load the footage. Drag in the texture image. Adjust the image size. Enter the text. Select a preferred font. After pre-composing the text, it can be replaced. Duplicate the image layer. Place the text in the center. Select Luma Matte for the top layer. Add a curves effect to the top layer. Boost the highlights. Make the text color brighter. Other color channels. Adjust based on your own image. Add CC glass effect to the text layer. Open the surface. Select a texture image. Change displacement to 150. Add displacement map effect to the text layer. Select the same texture image. Maximum horizontal and vertical displacement. Just fine-tune a little. Create a new adjustment layer. Add the motion tile effect. Alt-click the tile center. Create a wiggle expression. Remember to check mirror edges. Add the noise effect. Amount 20. Enter the text layer. Add the liquefy effect. Adjust brush size and tool options. Create liquefy animation for letters. Distortion percentage. Make keyframes. From 0 to 100, select all and press F9 for easing. Adjust the rate curve. Preview it. Drag in the light and shadow material. Change the mode to hard light. Adjust the timing of the text liquefaction appearance. Opacity of the light. Set some keyframes. Post effect complete.